So we start with
Sir,
third
word
question.
also.
Okay. Yes. So A can do a job in 4.5 days. So we are having some job. A job is there. Okay. Some work is there. A is able to complete that work in 9/2 days. That is 4.5 days it takes. A takes 4.5 days to complete the work. Okay. It means so to complete work, A, okay, 1 minute. A takes how many days? 4.5. That is 9/2 days. Okay. It means each day how much of the work he is doing. What part of the work he is doing. In one day, A does how much work? A does
2
how
by
much
9.
of the work? It will be 2/9 of the 2/9 of the work. 2/9 of job, or we can say 2/9 of the work. Okay, this much part of the work he is doing each day. Some part first day, second part, second day, some part like this. He has completed the work in 4.5 days. That is 9/2 days. So each day he is doing 2/9 part of the work. This is clear. Similarly, B does in 9 days to complete
Sir,
work. Yes.
sir, it is 9/2, sir. Then how 2/9 came?
Okay. See, if I say you that a person is taking 4 days to complete the work, some work is there and person is taking 4 days to complete the work. So each day, how much part of the work is doing? One
1 by
fourth,
4.
1/4, first day, second day, 1/4, third day, 1/4, fourth day, 1/4. When we add them, we are getting 1. Okay. Okay. If I say 5 days, then each day is doing 1/5 of the work. Just reciprocal. Similarly, 9/2 days is taking. So just reciprocal of this one. Each day he is doing 2/9 of the day. See here, 2/9 is it means work. If we take 9 as the work, first day it's 2 part he is doing. Next day 2 part is doing. Then next day 2 part like this. So first day did 2 part. Second day did 2 part of the 9. Third day did 2 part of the 9. Fourth day 2 parts of the 9. Now next 4.5 days. So half day only 1/9 part he did. Understood this one? 2/9,
Yes, sir.
2/9, 2/9, 2/9, 1/9. That is first day, second day, third day, fourth day, and half day. Fifth half day only. Understood? Fifth only 1/9. That is half day only he did. Okay. So full day if he works
Yes,
for
sir.
2/9. But only half day 1/9. Understood this one?
Yes,
So
sir.
each day A will do 2/9 of the work. To complete the work, B takes how many days? 9 days. So each day, in one day, how much B can do? B does how much of the work? 1/9 part of the work. If we take 1 as the complete work, so 1/9 of the work he does. First day 1/9, second day 1/9. Similarly, he does for 9 days. Then only the work will be completed. Okay, this much part only he is doing. He or she or trans, whatever it will be, the person is doing, B person. Okay. Now, okay, now what is there, Christian? How long will they take to complete the job together? Now they are doing together. So in one day, how much they can do together? In one day, A plus B does. Here, these together they will be working. So how much they will be working? A works 2/9 of the work, and B does how much? 1/9 of the work. So this much work will be completed in one day. In one day, this much part of the work will be completed. Of the work will be completed. So how much it is? 3/9. That is how much? 1/3. 1/3 part of the work will be completed in one day. 1/3 part of the work, it will be completed in 1 day. Now question is asking how many days they will take if they work together. How many days?
3 days.
If 3 days. Why? Each day they are working 1/3 of the work. So first day they will complete 1/3 of the work. Second day they will complete remaining 1/3 of the work. And third day remaining 1/3. That's how the work will be completed. So 1/3 of work is done in 1 day. So whole work will be done in 1 divided by 1/3. That is 3 days. Understood this one? So 1/3 first day, second day, 1/3, 4th day, 1/3. That's how work will be completed in 3 days if they work together. Understood this question? Okay. Now the second part. If they are paid 900 for the job, if they are paid 900, so A and B, they have been paid 900 rupees. Okay. What will be each person's share? What will be the what will be the share of each person? Okay, we have to find. So that will be according to their work. Who does more work will get more. Who does less work gets less. So A in 1 day, 2/9. B does 1/9. We can take the ratio A is to B, amount of their work done. We can take the ratio of them. So A is to B will be how much? Their work. Ratio of the work of A and B. A is to B will be how much? 2/9 is to 1/9. It is 2:1.
2:1.
It is 2:1. So A will be getting double the money. A is working double as compared to B.
Yes, sir.
So A will get the double money as compared to B. And how much money we have total? Total they are paid 900 rupees. So A's share will be how much? 2/3. 2/3 of the share will be A's. 2/3 into 900. It will be how much?
600.
rupees. And B's share? 1/3 he will take. 1/3 that person B will take into 900. It will be how much? Rupees 300. And see a total 900. Answer is correct. A is getting double the money as compared to B. Double the work, double the money. Okay. Understood this question? Okay. Now try fourth
Sir,
question.
second part.
Yes.
Sir, again explain second part.
Okay.
Sir,
Second part, I'm
again
rubbing
explain.
first part. Okay. I'm rubbing from here. Okay. Those who have understood, they can do the next question. Okay. Okay. Now see here. A and B together they are paid how much money? 900 rupees. Now we have to find how much each of them has got. How much money each of them has got. So that will be according to the amount of work done. So if we compare their work, A's work to B's work. So A is doing how much? 2/9 of the work and B does only 1/9 of the same work. So if we take the ratio of works done by A and B. So it will be A is to B, ratio of the work. It will be 2/9 is to 1/9. Each day, A is doing 2/9, B is doing 1/9. If you take the ratio, it comes out to be 2:1. Ratio is 2:1. A by B is 2:1. Or we can write A equal to 2B. That is how much B is getting. It's double A will get. How much B is getting is double A will get. Okay. Now, how to find the share of A? Share in the money. Share of A will be how much? 2:1 is there. So 2 divided by total is how much? 3. So 2/3 will be the share of A. Of what? Of rupees 900. How much we are getting? Rupees 600. And what will be the share of A? B. Either you can subtract 900 minus 600, 300, or 1 divided by total. 2 plus 1, 3. 1/3 of rupees 900, and it comes out to be rupees 300. Understood now? These are the share. If you add them, they comes out to be 900. Total is 900. A is getting double the money, double the work, double the money. Okay. Now do next one. Clear to everyone now? Do the fourth question. Do the fourth question. Okay. Now read the fourth question. A and B can do a certain job in 5 hours. So A and B, it is written A and B, not or. A and B means they are doing together. A and B means they are doing together. A and B together, they can do a job in 5 hours. And A alone can do it in 8 hours. Okay. So in 1 hour, first we write A and B together can do a job in 5 hours. That we can write. And in 1 hour, A plus B does how much of the work? They complete the work in 5 hours. 5 hours, they complete the work. In 1 hour, they will do how much?
1 by 5.
1 by 5th of the work. So first hour, they will do 1/5 of the work. Next hour, again 1/5. Similarly, for 5 hours, they will be doing 1/5 of the work. Total, it will be 1. So 1/5 of work. 1 by 5 of work we can write, or just 1 by 5 we will write. That is also fine. So in 1 hour, A and B does 1/5 of the work. 1/5 of the work they complete in 1 hour. Okay. Now it is written as line. A alone can do it in 8 hours. A alone can do it in 8 hours. You can write that. Now in 1 hour, A, here it will do, because they are plural, A do. A does how much of the work? To complete the same work, A takes 8 hours. So 1 by 8
1 by 8.
of the work. 1 by 8 part of the work, A will do in 1 hour. A will do in 1 hour. Okay. Now what is question? How long will B take to do the job alone? If B is doing, then how much days he will take? How we can do that?
Sir,
When
you
they
are
both are doing,
use false.
yes, in 1 hour they are doing together 1 by 5. A does 1/8 of the work. Okay, if we subtract, then whose work we will get? We subtract. This is the total work they do in
B's
1
work.
hour.
B's work.
So if we subtract A's work from total, then we get B's work. So in 1
B's
hour,
work.
B does how much work? Total they does do 1 by 5. And from this we will subtract 1 by 8. How much will it be? 40 will be the LCM.
40.
8 minus 5. It is 3/40. So in 1 hour, B does how much? 3/40 of work. This much B is doing. Okay. In 1 hour, this much of work is doing. Okay. Now, how many days B takes? How many days will B take to do the work? So see here, 40/3. 340 of work is done in 1 hour. B does in 1 hour. The whole work, to complete the work, it will be 1 divided by 3/40. That is 40/3 hours. These many hours it will take. Okay, convert it into mixed fraction. It will be how much?
13
13 1 by 3. Okay, 39, that 1/3 we got. So 339 plus 1, 40/3. These many hours. So 13 hours and 1/3 hours, or you can write 20 minutes as well. Okay. Yes.
Sir, why we divided sir 3/40 by 1?
Well, here.
By 1. Yes, sir.
Okay, 1 we have divided by. Okay, it is like this. See here. 2 chocolates cost 4 rupees. 1 chocolate will cost how much? 4 divided by 2?
2 rupees.
2 rupees. Now
2
I say
rupees.
1 chocolate cost 5 rupees. Okay, 6 rupees we take. Half chocolate will cost
3 rupees. 3 rupees.
3 rupees. 6 divided by half. It is 1 minute, 1 minute. 6 into half. It will be 3 rupees. Okay. See here, 3/40 of the work is done in 1 hour. 3/40. So complete work will be done in just reciprocal this one. 1 divided by 3/40. That is 40/3 hours. 13 1/3 hours. Okay. So how much part of the work is, see here. If A does work in 5 days, it means A does how much work each day? 1/5 of the work. Okay. So days, if 5 days work completed each day will be 1/5. If A is doing 5/10, 5/9 of work each day, how many days A will take to complete the work? Just reciprocal of this one. 9/5 days. 9/5 days. Okay. Similarly, B does 3/40 of the work each hour. So how many hours it will take? 40/3. 3/40 of the work each hour. So the whole work, it will be completed, just take reciprocal, 40/3. Okay. Fifth question. Try to do the fifth question. Read the fifth question. Digging a trench is also a work. So here in these questions, we'll be discussing time and work only.
So what does trench mean?
Trench, okay. Okay. See, if the soil is there, we dig in a line, like for digging, for putting the, what should I, like wires underground. What we do, we dig a rectangular shape. So we dig it in a line. That is called as trench.
Sir, we dig a tunnel. Tunnel.
Tunnel, yes, you can take tunnel. Tunnel is little bit, yes, like straight we are digging
Hi.
in a line. Okay, that's trench. For the sewage system, we have the sewage system. That is also a trench. It's a trench. Okay, so fifth one, A can dig 1/12 of a trench in 1 day. A can dig 1/12 of a trench in 1 day. So in 1 day, A does how much work? 1/12 of the work. 1/12 of the work A does in 1 day. Okay, and B can dig 1/6 of the trench in 3 days. B can dig, so in 3 days, B does how much work? 1/6 of work. In 3 days, B does 1/6 of the work. So in 1 day, B will do how much work? B does how much of work? In 1 day. How much of the work? 3 days, 1/6. In 1 day, it will be 1 by this much work. 1/18th of the work. In 1 day, A does 1/12. In 3 days, B does 1/6. In 1 day, B will be doing 1/18 of work. Understood this one? So we have calculated the 1 day work of A and B. Is this clear? Any doubt here? In 3 days, B does 1/6 of the work. So in 1 day, B will do 1/18 of the work. B will do 1/18 of the work. Okay. Now read the next line. Okay. B does. Okay. If they work together, if now they are working together, how long they will take to dig the whole trench? So now they are working together. So in 1 day, A and B will do how much of work? In 1 day. A plus B do how much of the work? What we will do? We'll add the 1 day work of A and B. A did 1/12 of the work. B did 1/18 of the work. This much work is completed in 1 day when these two are working together, when A and B are working together. Okay, take the LCM. It is how much? 36. 3 2 5/36 of work. This much of work is completed in 1 day if both are working together. And how many days they will take?
36/5.
36/5. It's reciprocal. You can write straightforward as well, or you can write, okay, 5/36. Part of work is completed by A in 1 day. Whole work will be completed in 1 divided by 5/36. That is 36/5 days. It is clear? 7 1/5 you'll be getting. 7 1/5 days. So 7 days and then 1/5 of the day they will take when they work together. 7 1/5. You can see as well, A alone does in 12 days and B takes 18 days to complete the work. Whereas when they work together, they take only 7 and 1/5 days. Understood this one? You can see A will take 12 days to complete the work. B will take 18 days to complete the work. Now, if they work together, they will complete the work in just 7 1/5 days. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
No? Okay. Then do the next question, read it. Okay. You have 2 minutes. Okay. Read the question properly. Then we'll do. Okay, we have started recording. Okay. Okay, after this chapter, we'll be starting the surface area and volume. Okay. After this chapter, we'll be starting volume and surface area. In that, volume and surface area of cube and cuboid is only in syllabus. Okay. Only cube and cuboid. We won't be discussing cylinder, cone, etc. We won't be discussing those. Okay. But still, we have the brief idea about them as well. Okay. Okay. So now next question. Fifth we have done. Sixth question. Okay. A and B can do a job in 15 days. So A and B means they are working together. They can do a job in 15 days. Now what is happening? They work together for 6 days. 6 days they work together. Now one of them left. That is B left. Okay. They completed the work. A part of the work they completed for 6 days together. Now B leaves. Now remaining work is there. Remaining work is there. That is to be completed by A. Okay. So we have to find how long will A take to complete the unfinished job. So what is happening? See here. We are having some work. Consider this as the work. Okay. And for 6 days, A plus B worked. And this much part of the work they completed. Now B left. Now what we'll do? First we'll find this remaining work. First, we'll find this remaining work, and then how many days A will take to complete this work we will find. Okay. So what we are going to do, the work we have. A and B are working together for 6 days. So first we'll calculate how much work they have done for 6 days. Okay. And now we'll find the remaining work. How to find the remaining work? One is the complete work. 1 minus the completed work. Whatever we have completed, they have completed. Okay. Remaining work we got. Then we'll calculate the A's single day work, and we will find how many days A will take to complete this remaining work. Understood this one? So A and B can do a job in 15 days. So in one day, A and B will do how much of the work? If they are taking 15 days to complete the work, it will be
1 by 15.
so each day when they work together, they will complete 1/15th of the work. They will complete 1/15th of the work. Okay. Now they have worked together for 6 days. In one day, they are doing this much work. So in 6 days, they will work how much? How much work will be
1 by
completed?
15 into
A plus B do. So one day, 1 by 15th of the work. 6 days, we multiply for 6 because each day 1 by 15, 1 by 15. So 1 by 15 into 6. How much it will be coming? 3 we can divide. 2 upon 5 of work. So in 6 days, how much of work they have completed? 2/5 of the work they have completed. How much work they have completed? 2/5 of the work is completed in 6 days. In 6 days, 2/5 of the work is completed. And remaining work will be how much? It will be 1 is the complete work. 1 minus 2/5 of the work. It will be now 3/5 of work. This much work is remaining. 3 by 5 of the work, or 3 by 5 of work is remaining. 3 by 5 is remaining. 3 part of the 5 are remaining. Okay. Now, who will complete this work? B has already went. Remaining work A has to do. Remaining work A has to do. Now, A takes 50 days to complete the work. This work, if A alone does, he will take 50 days, or she will take 50 days. So in one day, how much A can do? In one day, how much A can do? The whole work, 50 days it take. So in one day, A can do 1/50th part of work. In one day, A can do 1/50th part of work. This is clear?
yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. By the way, we won't require this step. Okay. We won't require this step. We can simply say the whole work. This step we won't require. Why? Because here, whole work, if done by A, to complete the work, to complete the work, A takes how many days? 50 days.
50 days.
Okay. Okay. Now A has to do how much part of the work? Only 3/5 of the work. So to complete the 3/5 of work, A will take how many?
3
50
into
into 3
50.
by
3/5 of the days as well. 3/5 of the days as well. See here, what is happening? To complete the whole work, A takes 50 days. So whole work if A does, that is one work, then 50 days. Now A has to do only 3/5 of the work. A has to do only 3/5 of the work. So days will as well reduce by 3/5. Will be reduced to 3/5 of the days. Since work is reduced to 3/5, so number of days to complete that work will also reduce to 3/5 of the days. So 3 by 5. How many days it is? 30 days.
30 days.
30 days.
30 days. Understood this one? To complete the work, A takes 50 days. Now he has to complete only 3 by 5 of the work. That is only 3 by 5 part. So how many he will take? She will take 30 days. Understood this one? Understood this one?
Yes, sir.
If you understand these questions, these are very easy questions. Okay. Now do the next one. 8th question, read it. Read it properly and try to understand. Then we'll solve.
So 7th question we don't have to do.
7th question is there. 7th we have done or not? Not done. Okay, try to do 7th. 7th. You have to do 7th. All the questions you have to do. 7th question. Sorry for that. 7th question. This was 6th question. Read the 7th question. Okay, 7th question. A and B start on a job. Okay, they start on a job. Okay, a job which A can complete in 6 days. A can complete in 6 days and B can complete in 8 days. Okay, they start on a job which A takes 6 days, B takes 8 days. Okay, there is some job. To complete this job, A will take 6 days, whereas B will take 8 days. So we can calculate the amount of work done by A and B in 1 day. So in 1 day, A does how much work? 1/6 of the work.
6.
In 1 day, B does how much of the work? 1/8 of the work.
1/8.
This much part of the work B does. Okay. I'm not putting TS so that it looks simple. Okay. 1/8 of the work. Okay. Now what is given? Okay. 7th question. After 2 days, B falls ill. Okay. After 2 days, B falls ill. So after 2 days, for 2 days, they worked together and they have completed some work. Okay. They have completed some work. Okay. B falls ill. So after 2 days, B went. Now A has to do the remaining work. So what we'll do, it is same as, so first we'll calculate the remaining work and then again the same way. To complete the whole work, A takes 6 days. So that's much amount of work. How many days B will take? A will take. Okay. So in 1 day, A does this much. So in 1 day, if both works, A plus B, do. How much of the work they will do? What we'll do? We'll add the work. How much A has done in 1 day? B has done. 1/6 plus 1/8. How much it is coming? LCM will be how much? 24. Okay, answer is 7. Okay. 7/24 of work. 7/24 of work. Okay. 4 plus 3, 7. Okay. 7/24 part of work A and B doing 1 day. Now, how many days they have worked together? 2 days they have worked.
2
So
days.
we have to calculate the work done in 2 days. So in 2 days, A plus B do how much of the work? 1 day 7/24. 2 days 2 into 7/24. It will be how much? 7/12 part of work. So in 2 days they have done this much work. In 2 days they have done this much work. Okay. Now B falls ill and went away. Okay. B went away. Now remaining work A has to do. So first you have to find the remaining work. How much is the remaining work? Remaining work will be how much? it will be how much? Whole work we always
1
take as
minus
1. 1 by 7 by 12. It will be 5 upon 12 of work. So this much of work is remaining. This much of work is remaining. Now who will do that work? A will do. So again we can write to complete work. A takes how many days? A takes how many days? To complete the whole work. It is written in first line. 6 days. 6 days. And to complete, just how many work he has to complete? 5 by 12 of the work? 5 by 12 of work. If only this much you have to complete, then less days he will be taking, or she will be taking. 6 into 5 upon 12. So it will be how much? 2, 2.5, 5 by 2, 2, 1 by 2 days, 2 days and half days. A will take, she will take, A will take. Understood this one? So to complete the whole work, A takes 6 days. Now only 5 by 12 of the work has to be done. Okay, only this much remaining work is to be done. So 6 into 5 by 12. 5 by 12 of part of 6 days. 5 by 12 part of 6 days, A will take. 2.5 days only he will take now. Because 7 by 12 part already completed in 2 days. Remaining work is there. So in 2.5 days, A alone will complete this work. Is this clear? Time is there. 12:10, 2:10.
Sir, no time. 12:05.
12:05. Okay, 8th question we discuss a little bit. Then you can leave. Okay, I put 2:10. Okay, 5 minutes we can take. 2 or 3 minutes only I will take. Read the 8th question. Read the 8th question. 8th question we do, then we leave. Okay.
Sir, tomorrow also this time only class will be there.
No, tomorrow morning I will be taking at 9. In
Okay,
school
sir.
only I have to take. Okay. So 8th question. A works twice as fast B. A works twice as fast B. If A does, so B does, for example, B takes 2 days to complete the work. A will take how many days? Same work.
4 days.
Listen again, question.
4 days.
A works twice as fast as B. A works twice as fast as B. Who is working more fast? A.
A.
A. So if B is taking 2 days, so A will take less days because
1 day.
he will be doing double the work of A or double the work of B. If B does some work, A will complete just double of that work. It means if B is taking 2 days, A will take 1 day only. If B takes 6 days, A will take only 3 days. It means here, 1 day work of B will be how much? 1 by 6. 1 day work of A will be 1 by 3. You can see as well. A is doing double the work. It is 2 by 6, 1 by 3. You can see A is doing double the work of A, twice fast as B. You can see as well, 1 day work if we compare. B is 1 by 6, A is 2 by 6. So A is double the work, twice fast as B. Okay. And in question, we have to find what? How long would A take to complete the job? Okay. So let the days to complete the job be X. Let the days to complete the job by A equal to x days. Okay. A is taking x days to complete the job. So B will take how many days? B will take how many days?
2x.
2x days, double the days. Okay. If they work together and complete a job in 8 days, they are working together. So first we have to find the 1 day work of each. Okay. In 1 day, A does. How much of the work A does? 1 by x of work in 1 day. And B, how much? 1 by 2x of work. You can see as well. B is doing only half of the work A does each day. B is doing half of the work what A does each day. You can see as well. Okay. This is their 1 day work. Now, if they are working together, what will be the total work in 1 day? A plus B do. How much of the work A plus B do? 1 by x plus 1 by 2x. How much it will be? Take the LCM. LCM will be 2x. 2 plus 1, 3 upon 2x. This is fine. This much of the work they do if they work together of work. Okay. So if they are doing working together to complete the work, A plus B will take how many days? This much part of the work is completed in 1 day. To complete the work, A and B will take 2x by 3 days. These many days they will take. Yes or no? It is fine. Here you can write 3 by 2x of work is completed in 1 day. The whole work will be completed in its reciprocal. Each day they are doing this much work. So its reciprocal number of days will be there. These many days A and B will take. And now say in question what is given? 7th question. 8th question it is. So when they work together, they complete the job in 8 days. When they work together, they complete the job in 2x by 3 days. And in question it is there, they given that when they work together, it takes 8 days. So we can equate them to 2 by 2x upon 3. It is how much? 8. We can equate them. In terms of x, they take these 9 days. And what is given in question? 8 days. It is provided that to complete the work, they take 8 days. So 2x by 3 equal to 8. Now how much x will be there? Value of x will be how much?
12.
12. 8 into 3 divided by 2. It is 4 into 3, 12 days. And what we have to calculate? Days A alone can do the job. So x we have to calculate only 12 days. So A can do the job alone in 12 days. Understood this question? Understood? Any doubt here?
No, sir.
Okay.
No,
So
sir.
what you have to do to complete the job? A take x days. B takes double the days. Okay. Now each day work we have calculated of A and B. And when we added them, we got the 1 day work of both. And this is the work of both when they work together. Each day they complete this much work of. Okay. Now how many days they will take? It's reciprocal. 2x upon 3 days they will take to complete the work. In question it is given 8 days. So we can equate them and we can get the value of x equal to 12 days. And what is x? How many days A takes to complete the work? And that's the question I have asked. Okay. Understood now?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, then we end here. Next question we'll do tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll try to complete the exercise if possible.
Okay.
We'll try to complete it.
Well-
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Tomorrow
Thank you,
at 9 a.m. Tomorrow I'll be taking at 9 a.m. Tomorrow class will be taking at school. Okay, 9 a.m.
Thank you, sir.
Thank
Have
you.
a good day, sir.
Have a
And
good
when
day, you as
our class will
Yes.
open.
Okay.